Hi guys, Bobby D here again. So I'm actually sitting in a coffee shop at the moment, and weirdly today I've had 5 emails and a couple of Facebook PMs from people saying, how do I get review access, or how do I get an affiliate to accept me because I'm new, I've got no history, and they never approved me for any offers. And yeah, you're right, it is a difficult box that you find yourself in as a newbie, but there are some ways around it. There's a couple of options you can do. So first of all, why do affiliates not give you review access, which means you basically get a free copy? And the reason you won't get one as a newbie is, one, we don't like giving free copies away, and two, we only give them to people that we know will convert into sales, because we want sales. And during the first 3 to 5 days of a launch, what the affiliates want is they want their EPC rate, they want their sales rate and their conversion rates to be really high. And if you get newbies, what some newbies do, it's happened to me, they just send a load of rubbish traffic to your offer hoping it's going to sell, but that puts all your statistics out, and that's what you don't want as a affiliate. And the other reason is, you're not going to sell many copies. Now, I was in that same situation as you, not that long ago. So, there's a couple of things you can do. In fact, there's 3 things you can do. So, you obviously go to Warrior Plus or JVZoo, hit request approval for whatever you want, and I would type up a little email, something like this. Hi, I would love to promote this product. I'm new to internet marketing, but building my list using squeeze pages, free traffic and solo ads. I'm also doing video reviews on YouTube and on my own website. I'll push this product really well and would love the chance to affiliate for you and any other future products. Many thanks, Bobby D. And then I would send that off to the affiliate. Is it going to give you access? If you sent me that email, I would give you access. What I don't give people access is when they send me one-liners. I recently put out a WSO called $20 Days a couple of weeks ago, and I was getting affiliate requests that just said, I want this, I want to promote this, approve me, I need this. Well, if you send me stuff like that, you're not going to get it. But if you write a bit of history about what you're doing, that you are new, that you're keen, tell me what you're doing, there's a good chance I'll give you access. What you guys probably won't get is access in the first week of launch, because affiliates don't want their statistics all over the place. So you might have to wait a week, but it doesn't matter if you wait a week. It doesn't really matter. The other thing you can do is video, what I call a personal video review, and I had 2 for $20 Days, 2 brand new affiliates, and I give them access straight away, both of them. And what that is make a little video on your mobile phone or on your camera on your laptop, and just look at the camera and just speak to it, saying, hi, I'm Bobby D, I'm new to internet marketing, I really want to affiliate this product. Exactly the same, but you're doing it on camera. You're just giving that affiliate a face, someone to remember. If you do that for me and a lot of the other affiliates, you are going to get access to their product 100%. Review products are another kettle of fish. Yep, you might get one. If you need one, I would do a video review if you're a newbie. And the best way of doing that is making a video, like I said, on your phone or the computer, going on Facebook, looking up the seller, the affiliate, and then sending them a PM, a personal message on there, and sending them the video. That is what I would do. And a little bit of spiel about what you're doing. Say, here's a video. I really want to affiliate the product. I'm brand new. Hope you enjoy it. And send them the video. Now, if all that fails, and you're looking at doing a video review on YouTube or your website, you can still do it. You just won't have access to the members area. And this is exactly how I started out, guys. Exactly. So this is my own product, or one of them. This is Flippadom. And what you would do, you would just look at other people's YouTube videos. Go and look at my YouTube channel, the link's in here. You can see how I do video reviews. And if you look at my early ones, certainly the first 10 or so, you'll see that I don't have review access because nobody knew who I was back then. So I do it through here, and you'll just review it. You'll just say, now this is Flipperdon by Bobby D and Trevor Carr and Jonas Lindgren. This says Bobby works 14, 16-hour day, yet he was able to make $1,500 in his spare time. Flipperdon is easy, fast and effective. No previous experience. Yes, you don't need any previous experience. No steep learning curve. Easy. No list required yet, and uses free paid traffic yet. And you do it like this. You know, you just go through it like this. You know, Bobby bought a domain for $10, sold it for $149, bought one for $10, sold it for $99, and you do your review video based on this sales page, and it's just equally as good. All you're not getting is the members area. Okay, so it's still doable if you don't get access. But my advice to you is write a nice email. Definitely do a video review to these affiliates. That is 100% that's going to help you out. And if all else fails, you can still do a review off your sales page. Obviously, once you get affiliate access to get your link to put out, and that's it. And then what I do, just go to my channel quickly. And apologies for the background noise. I am in Starbucks at the moment. I just thought I'd quickly do this. So these are all my review videos. And I only started 9 months ago. So let's just have a quick look at this one.
Hi guys, Matt Clark here doing another.
So you'll see that I don't have access here. This is all done off the sales page. All done off the sales page. So what I suggest you do is look at my, let's look at El Bandito. These are my new ones. Obviously, I've totally changed it how I do. I now get access obviously to the members area, but just follow the way I do it. How I do it is I start the video off, I go through what it's got, and then go through my bonuses if I've got any, and then back to the video again. And you can literally just copy and paste what I do here, guys. It's no issue. I use Commission Gorilla to make up my pages, but you don't have to do that. You don't need that. And that's it. It's just a quick way of getting affiliate access and review access, and it definitely works. Any issues, guys, hit me up. Cheers.